So there is a gap in the grains that we eat. We're eating wheat, we're eating rice on a regular basis, but what we're not getting from those basic staples is the oil that actually is naturally in the plant when it is growing, because it has been processed out of it by the food industry. And these grains actually provide us with what we call lipids and sterols and other essential fatty acids. And importantly, this is where the cell membrane comes in again very specifically, because it helps us to build effective cell membranes. So what we did at Neolife is went to those basic staples and took the oils and encapsulated them and delivered them in a product called Tre-en-en. So there are 3 different oils, and that's why the product is called Tre-en-en, 3-in-1. And they play a very important part in making sure that that cell membrane that I talked about and that you saw in that initial graphic is robust, is flexible, is dynamic. In fact, it receives good nutrition, it's a good communicator, and in terms of the immune cells, it makes them very agile and able to move around whenever they're needed. And interestingly, although this is not really news to people that our food is processed and that, you know, your packet of rice has no oil in it, that's why you can keep it in your cupboard for months. Your packet of pasta, the wheat has no oil in it, that's why you can do the same. Huge convenience factor, but not very good for our cells. And so we did this 60 years ago. We actually said we need to look at the food industry and see what they're doing to our food and what it's doing to our bodies. So interestingly though, although this is not really something new, there is no other product on the market that actually has extracted these oils from the staples that you and I eat and delivered them back to our body and specifically to the cells of our immune system in this case. Crucially important. So that is why it forms part of what we would call our core products and would be a place to start.